Go First, an airline that has been battling severe crisis for the past many days, may not come back. It now appears that the lessors of Go First have now gone to court and taken the resolution professional to court for not allowing them to either inspect the aircraft or to physically once go and check them. What is happening here? What is the problem with lessors actually going and inspecting the aircraft?
I don't know what the problem is with that, Shweta. Ideally, if it is only inspection, only maintenance, lessors may be allowed. But what the Go First resolution professional, Shailendra Ajmera, is saying is that there was a moratorium put by NCLT, which was upheld by NCLAT when the lessors had appealed against the NCLT moratorium in the appellate tribunal, and the appellate tribunal had upheld the NCLT's dictat that the moratorium stays, which means lessors or anybody for that matter does not get access to Go First aircraft, Go First engines which are in Go First possession until the matter is disposed of one way or another. Either you find another buyer or you let the airline get liquidated. So lessors were definitely not happy with that, and then there was a petition filed in the Delhi High Court, and which is when the IBC rules were amended, and Delhi High Court had said that under IBC, any aircraft that goes into insolvency voluntarily or involuntarily should comply with the Singapore jurisdiction, which enables lessors to go and repossess their aircraft. Now, it was not made clear back then whether this new ruling of IBC made by Delhi High Court on October 12th would be implemented retrospectively, or is it only for future airlines that file for bankruptcy. Now, the problem is that the lessors are obviously very unhappy with NCLT and NCLAT and have gone to Delhi High Court saying that your October 12th order is not being followed by the Go First resolution professional, and hence this is contempt of court. So Delhi High Court has now told Go First RP that please file an affidavit by the 10th of December, and we are going to hear the matter on the 12th of December. So I think the RP has no choice but to file that affidavit and be present in the court himself or through his attorneys. And then
in all of this, we do know that Go First moratorium has also been extended. It has been given more time because Go First could not find the right bidder.
Absolutely.
So the airline has a few more months to perhaps figure out what the next plan of action is going to be.
Absolutely.
Either it will come back or it will liquidate.
Very true. And in addition to that, Shweta, what the RP is also saying is that the Delhi High Court actually does not have jurisdiction over NCLT matters, and NCLT is the final authority on IBC. Now, of course, we have seen that there has been a 60-day extension. So now 4th or 6th of February, if I'm not mistaken, is the final date by when, Go First, some decision, some movement on Go First one way or another will have to be taken. Now, is that 60-day window all-encompassing when it comes even to the moratorium or not, I think will now depend on what the 12th December hearing at Delhi High Court really comes out with. And then we will know whether the moratorium is going to continue or not, whether Delhi High Court is going to prevail over NCLT, NCLAT's jurisdiction or not. I think that should become a little more clear on 12th of December. But we know for sure that lessors are very, very unhappy. And overall, for the aviation sector, I think it is also bad news that airlines not making money in India, collapsing one after another, going into bankruptcy voluntarily or involuntarily, and now it sets a bad precedent. In any case, for lessors, they would be a little more chary in lending their aircraft.
Not so much now that there's been a change in the IBC,
so exactly. So now with the change in IBC, I think they should be a little better off.
Absolutely, but lessors will be able to get back their, repossess
true.
their aircraft, and I think that is good news for lessors. And DGCA also taking that rule and asking Delhi High Court to make it retrospective, which essentially means Go First will now have to allow lessors to repossess or at least have a look at what's in the inventory as far as Go First is concerned.